Hey everyone, Dylan Afazio here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new software which is going to allow you to use your Twitter profile to start getting traffic to your affiliate links so that you can start making money. Now, this will work in any niche, and it does not matter if you have a big Twitter following. You can literally create a brand new account, and I'm also going to be giving away some bonuses. This is a very, very cheap software at only $17. So if you guys want to get access to it, I have a free traffic training, which is going to allow you to actually get more sales and more traffic to those affiliate links. So without further ado, let's jump over to my screen. We'll go over the sales page. I'll talk a little bit about the product, and then we'll actually go through and check out the product itself in the back office, and I'll go over the bonuses at the end of this video. All right, guys, so let's jump over to my screen here. All right, everyone, if it's your first time stopping by, we haven't done one of these in a while, but we're doing a review of a product. One of my friends launched it the other day, and it looks to be a very, very good product. And I've actually got access to the back office, so I'm going to show you guys that here in this video. So activate Tweety traffic bots in one click and get free buyer traffic from 353 million visitors. Now, the 353 million visitors, that is Twitter, okay? That's Twitter's traffic, so that's what they're talking about there. And then they're making $1,000 per day or more with this traffic, which is very, very possible. I'm actually going to be using this traffic to send back to our multiple income funnel. So that's one of the reasons why I'm actually doing this video, because it's going to help me get traffic to my main income stream. Okay, so if you guys want to get access to the multiple income funnel, you can do that through the first link in the description below. And if you guys want to get Tweety, you can do that through the second link in the description below. Okay, but this is going to allow you to get traffic without writing a single word, without paid ads, and you're going to be able to get traffic within 24 hours. It works like a charm for newbies. This is buyer traffic, okay? People on Twitter love buying, all right? Works in any niche, like we said before. It's 100% automated, and there's no extra expenses needed, okay? This is normally $197 per month, but because we are on launch right now, it is only $16.95. So you want to make sure if you guys are going to get access to it, grab it right away, and you'll also get access to my bonus, which I'll go over at the end of this video. Okay, so beta testers, right? We can scroll through here. If you guys want to see the sales page, it will be the second link in the description. So we're just going to briefly go over, kind of the things that you need to know about this, and then we'll check the back office of the actual product. Okay, so deplete a Tweety traffic bot in only 3 steps. Step number 1, choose your niche, right? So whether it be make money online, maybe it's clothing, maybe it's e-commerce, whatever it is, choose your niche, right? Enter in your link. You're going to be able to set up videos. You're going to be able to set up a normal link. You're going to be able to do all sorts of things. We'll go over that here when we go into the back office. And then all you got to do is just activate the bot. It's going to go out there. It's going to do all the work for you. It's going to message people. It's going to reply to people. It's going to do all of that fun stuff for you, okay? And then you can get the results from this free traffic, okay? As you guys see here, tons and tons of earnings. And we have our 2 creators here, Sean and Sei. All right, so we'll go through here. That's pretty much all I want to cover on the sales page. So if we actually go over to the back office of the Tweety bot, so what's going to happen is you're just going to literally go down to your account. You're going to set up your account in, in the back office, and then you can go to add a post. You can add photos, you can add videos, you can add links, you can add text, right? Literally, if we just wanted to open up a picture here, we can just use this one for example, or we'll use the Tweety one, right? So you just add the Tweety info in. It's going to show you what it will look like, right? You can enter your caption, and you can choose, a location if you wanted to as well. If you wanted to add a video, you can just do that as well. You can upload it through the file manager, through Google Drive, through Dropbox, all sorts of different links. And then if you wanted to just post a link in, right? So say I wanted to send people to my multiple income funnel, we could just go 6-figure dreamlife.com, and we put our link in. Oh, we got to put the HTTPS. All right. Oh, there we go. So now you've got your link in there, and it's going to auto-populate with a picture and everything like that from that actual sales page. So then we can literally just go post that right now, and then if we wanted, we can go to the auto activity. So you're going to see that, you know, the status for these two campaigns have stopped, right? This is the test account, so there's lots of people testing it. But you can actually see, you know, there's favorites, there's replies. We got no retweets on this one. They got 5 followers, you know, a couple unfollows, and a welcome DM, right? So the bot's actually working behind the scenes to, you know, follow up and actually blow these posts up so you can get more traffic from these, okay? So you can also see your inbox of people that are messaging you, and you can also see the analytics of everything that's going on. So say you have multiple different Twitter profiles, you can literally just, you know, click one of them, it'll populate all of the information, and then you can also spin posts as well. So say you wanted to type in, you know, right, just something super random, you can go spin it, and there you go. So this is a cool thing. If you know, say you're taking an email, right, and you don't want to send that email, you can, you know, use one of these spinners, or you can just take another post and you can use that to, you know, recraft it so that you don't have to have the exact same post all the time, okay? So there's tons of other cool, you know, little treats in here. There's some bonuses, and there's a bunch of tutorial videos as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the back office. Like I said, it's super simple, right? The main goal is to get traffic from your Twitter to your affiliate links. Now, if you don't have any affiliate links, or, you know, maybe you've never, you know, done marketing online and you don't know, you know, what am I going to use Tweety to actually promote? Okay, what you can do is you can use the multiple income funnel. So what you're going to see is you're going to land on a page like this where people are going to enter in their name and their email, right? So they're going to enter in their name and their email, and they're going to get redirected over to our automated sales funnel. Now, the automated sales funnel has 4 income streams in one, and it does all the heavy lifting for you. So people just go in and enter their name and email, they get put through the system, and then the system does all the selling, it does all the follow-up, it does all the heavy lifting for you. The only thing that you have to do is get views to this page, right? Now, that is what Tweety will be doing, right? Tweety will be taking content from my Twitter and blowing it up to get me more leads to this sales page, and this sales page is going to do the selling for you. So if you don't have one of these set up, that is what you want to be focused on. You want to make sure you have one of these set up before you actually go ahead and deploy a massive traffic campaign, okay? Now, Tweety is going to help you with that traffic, and if you decide to get Tweety, I'm also going to give you my free traffic training as well. So I have free Facebook traffic training, right? This is going to show you how to build your Facebook up, start getting leads and sales from Facebook. I'm also going to share a little chat method so that when people are messaging you about products, you know what you need to say and you know how you can actually convert them into sales, okay? Traffic training number 2 is our free YouTube traffic. It's going to show you how to, you know, essentially create videos like this. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to, but it's going to show you how to rank videos on YouTube so you can actually get traffic from YouTube. All right, guys. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, if you guys like these, you know, review videos of these products where we go a little bit more in depth, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button down below, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So what we're also looking at is I'm also putting out a daily email broadcast. Okay, so this is going to show you how to actually email this list, right? Because when people go through here, they're going to enter their name and email. You can actually extract those leads onto an autoresponder, right? I have video trainings on all of this. If you guys want access to it, we can do it. But you're going to have a list of people, and then you're going to be able to send out emails on a daily basis, promoting things like, you know, the multiple income funnel, or promoting things like Tweety, right? You can actually go through and become an affiliate for Tweety and start making commissions when you resell it, right? That's the cool thing about affiliate marketing. Now, where were we? Okay, so 3 is our daily email broadcast, and number 4 is Udemy solo ads. So solo ads are where you actually go out, buy somebody else's email list traffic, okay? You say, hey, I want to buy 100 clicks from this person's email list. They're going to take their email, they're going to send it, and you're going to get traffic to your link, okay? So the main goal, again, getting traffic to your landing pages so that you can build an email list and you can start to make commissions from these systems that do all the work for you. All right, guys, so that's it. If you guys decide to get Tweety through the link in the description below, right? Or if you decide to join us in the multiple income funnel, whichever you prefer. If you want to do both, they work hand in hand together, right? Tweety will be your traffic source for the multiple income funnel. Okay, guys, so if you guys got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more content from me, make sure hit that subscribe button down below. And if you decide to grab Tweety, right, let me know by shooting me a message on Facebook. We can just go over to facebook.com/Dylan DeFazio online. Shoot me a friend request, send me a message. I'm a real person. I'm here to help. So if you guys got questions, hit me up. And I hope you have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.